Hi everyone, welcome back to the Digital Scorpion YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm sure the title gives it away, but we're going to do an unboxing video. That's very different for many reasons. Firstly, this channel's normally dedicated to aerial footage, aerial images, all that good stuff. Secondly, this is my first ever unboxing video, so I'm losing my virginity in that respect. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we're unboxing. Firstly, we have a 128 gig micro SD card. Let's be honest, no one wants to watch one of them being unboxed, so put that to one side. Secondly, we have a set of ND filters for the DJI MINI 4 Pro. Should give you a bit of a clue as to the main event, but we'll open these first. So firstly, tiny box, nice compact. Got the lovely little green pull here arrow, so we'll follow that. Put that to one side, and let's have a look what's inside. Very neatly packaged, as you can see. Slide that case out, nothing left. So we've got the instruction book or pamphlet showing how the filters fit onto the DJI MINI 4 Pro. Very useful. And then got a lovely little neat case. DJI logo on there, a little pull arrow there, let's pop that open the case up, and there are the three filters. So we've got an ND256, ND64 and ND16, giving all the different levels of filter that we can use on there, hopefully help us get the best quality images we can. So we'll pop this one out first. The ND256, you can see, very neat design, flat fronted, slightly angled into the front, and then on the back the mechanism to click it onto the front of the actual camera lens, and yeah, the filter itself. So very nice. Very neatly designed. These are the first time I've actually ordered filters from DJI themselves, so it's good to see the quality of that. They've got the usual QR code on the back there to look at it in more details, but all in all, a very neat, compact product. I'm sure it'll transport them safely, and the three filters, so yeah, very happy with them. They look good and I look forward to using them. So we'll pop them to one side here. Now the main event. Voila! Just arrived today in the post. DJI MINI 4 FlyMoreCombo. So the box is quite a hefty box, I must admit. I don't remember the MINI 2 coming in a box like this. Got all the description on the side there, QR code for the apps telling you how to set up. Very similar vision on the back to the front, showing that yes indeed, we've also got the controller, and then just a DJI logo on the side. So standard compact box again, quite weighty. To say that the drone itself's sub 249 grams. You know, the box itself is about 1.5 kilos, so heavier than you'd expect. I'm just gonna use my pen here for a bit of assistance to break the seal. Plastic wrap off there, keep it nice and clean, nice and neat. of course, if I possess fingernails, but I do not. Get that rubbish out of the way. And once again, we have the nice, neat little green pull here tab for the safety seal. Take that off. And we're in. Very nice. Just like when I got the DJI Mini 2, everything is contained within the carry bag itself. Nothing else inside the box. And yes, this bag, very similar to the DJI Mini 2 bag. I'll do a comparison video next. After we've done this, we've got the zip pocket at the front. Open that up and there's nothing in there. We've got the carry strap taped up to keep it neat. A little instruction book on the side with details there, and then obviously we have inside the zips. Let's have a look. So these zips feel a little bit better than the Mini 2 carry case, having the toggles on there, just a bit easy to open when out in the wild. On the top here we've got again the very similar to the Mini 2's case. We've got the utility pocket. We've got more instructions, it looks like. The packaging. We have a little DJI Mini screwdriver. Several sets of propellers. So what we've got here. 3 different pairs of propellers there, A and B, and hopefully you can make that out on the camera. It shows in relation to the drone. B probably looks better on the camera, which propeller they represent replacement for, so I'll put them on the side. We have trademark gel pack, do not eat, USB to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, and another gel pack. How delightful. So, what should we look at first, guys? A bit boring. I'm going to look at the batteries first. So, if we open this up, we've got the battery hub, room for 3 batteries, and 2 spare batteries here. Ultralight 249. These are just the standard lithium ion batteries that come with the drone, so get the charger ready to go. The power in, power out socket, so once again this can be used as a battery pack for charging other devices, which is always useful when you're out and about. It doesn't look like there's any power in those batteries, which is fair enough. You wouldn't expect them to ship them fully charged. Would have been nicer. And I believe, although I'll correct the comments later if I'm wrong, I'm sure you guys will jump all over it, but I believe this is the intelligent charging hub, which means if you've got 3 batteries in there that are fairly well depleted, put all 3 in and the battery charge will transfer from 2 into 1, so you'll get as much power as possible on one, which is very clever, very useful, and yeah, 2-way charging hub, very neat. Slightly different design to the Mini 2, but again, more on that in the comparison video that will come later. But these batteries look very different, more like the Mini 3 batteries that instead of being a cover, they're a one-piece unit. But yeah, I like that. Pop that there. What else have we got here? Nothing on that side. And here we have the controller. So I'll open that, pack it up. And there it is. The DJI RC 2. Looks very nice. Front view, so you've got the screen, you've got the controls there, different buttons and switches, return to home, pause flight, power button. Looking at the top here, you can see you've got the shoot button, the action button, record button there. These are the antenna. You can fold out to increase range. Don't think, yeah, they also pivot slightly, but nothing too major. Put them back down. Quite neat that they fold into each other like that. You know, they don't work the other way around. But nice and compact design. Also the two toggle switches there. Let's look further into what they toggle, but I'm guessing they can be customized. And then here, C1, C2 button, again, that I've seen you can actually customize in the settings, which is very useful for quick action shots. There's the autopilot and other functionality that the DJI MINI 4 has. On the bottom here, we've got micro SD port, got the USB-C charging port there, two screws there which look an awful lot like they'll be for the harness you can get. We've also got two little screws on the back here, and in the back, nicely stowed away, we have the gimbals, which obviously screw on there nice and easily. Of course, not when you've got fat fingers like I do and you're being filmed, then obviously we're very hard to do. There we go. These feel like they're aluminium, so they're nice and light, but a nice solid metallic feel at the same time. So they're very nice. Feels good. Looking forward to getting out flying with that. So we've got the controller there. We'll put that over here. And then we have the star of the show. And for this, the case is now empty, so I'll put that here to the side. The DJI MINI 4 Pro in the bag. So let's get that unwrapped. I've slid it out upside down because obviously that'll be the case. And there she is. Very neat, very compact. I do like this propeller guard. I've seen on other videos, other reviews. It feels solid, much more solid than the rubber one contained on the Mini 2. The gimbal guard here. That's also nice. Let's just pop that off. Comes off nice and easy. And yes, seeing that's an improvement on the DJI MINI 3. We've got the different guide holes there to ensure it locks into place neatly. The gimbal itself, nice and protected with its yellow casing around it. Remove before use. I think we struggle to fly with all that in case. We're not going to get any good footage. And then we'll pop this off. So yeah, propeller guard there. As I say, flexible, but it feels much more solid in design than the Mini 2s. So that's nice. And here it is. Here's the drone. sensors on top, on the front, 2 more sensors below. We've got the light at the bottom for the night flights. Not sure how much of them I'll be doing, but it's nice to know the capabilities there. Fold the legs out. And yeah, already it feels, you know, with it's not as uniform as the Mini 2. The Mini 2 obviously it's very square when everything's folded out. This feels to have much more reach at the front than the rear. Looks great from the front. The top, the vents at the back here, it gives it a real sporty look actually. Quite like that. But you can obviously see here with the fisheye lenses how the omnidirectional sensors work. It really does have a good all-round visibility, meaning that flying's safer. I'm quite fortunate, I haven't yet crashed a drone, but touch wood. With the sensor on this will not be the first one that gets crashed. As I was talking about earlier, when we were looking at the batteries here, the battery just slides out the back there, and the top of the battery is the back of the drone, unlike the Mini 2 where you've got the door that opens, so that's quite nice, quite neat, easy to change battery, and they do click in very secure, so you don't really have to worry about it dropping out mid-flight. At the back here we've got micro SD slot, USB-C slot again, so everything there that you need, all neat, all tidy, and yeah, a good looking drone. So let's have a look at the haul all together. Got the bag, pretty standard, nice, secure. Got the ND filters, and their little carry case, which will slot neatly in the back there. Got the DJI RC2 controller. Got the battery charging hub, 2 spare batteries, the drone itself with its battery, 3 sets of spare propellers, 2 charging cables, screwdriver, instruction booklet, a very well designed and practical looking propeller guards, and the gimbal guard at the front. So yeah, super happy with that. Looks great, and yeah, can't wait to get out flying. So that is the unboxing of my brand new DJI Mini 4 Pro FlyMoreCombo. So any questions, fire them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The next video will be a comparison video between Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Mini 2, both of them FlyMoreCombos. What I'll do is I'll compare them both here as they stand, and then we'll get them both out flying and do some comparison flights, see how they compare. So don't forget, if you subscribe, click that bell and you'll get an update when I put that video out, and look forward to putting more content up with the Mini 4 and the Mini 2 going forward. So thank you everyone who's watched, like and subscribe, and as ever, see you again next time. Fly safe.